Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick video review on this doorknob. The doorknobs itself are pretty sturdy, very nice mechanism. If you can want to see, it works. So I'm going to show you how to install this. Firstly, we need to make a hole on the door, and then use this key. Find a small hole right there, as you can see right there. Put the key in there, press it down like that, and then you just can slide it off. Let's see, oh, a little bit of force. Hold up. There it is. That comes off. Now remove this one. Like I said, you should have a hole in your door, and then you just slide it through the door. This should be on the outside, this should be on the inside. And then remove this screw right here, like that, a little bit. Almost. That's a long screw, bro. Anyway, remove that one, and then put it through here. So then it will just be joined here perfectly. Like, you can adjust how long or short you want it. And then we'll just put that screw down